Ever stare at a crypto chart and think, what are these squiggly lines? And why do they make me feel like I'm failing a math test? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into how professional traders make predictions using technical and fundamental analysis. Don't worry, no actual math quizzes involved. First up, technical analysis. Sounds fancy, right? It's basically trying to read the future using lines. Yep, it's like playing connect the dots, but with money on the line. So we've got our chart patterns. There's the head and shoulders pattern, which isn't about shampoo, and the triangle pattern, although I'm still waiting for them to add the perfect pizza slice pattern. Next is RSI, or the Relative Strength Index, which is basically the market's mood swing monitor. Over 70, it's super excited and maybe overhyped. Think of someone who just drank 5 energy drinks. Under 30, it's sad like me when Bitcoin drops 10%. And then there's the MACD, which sounds like something you'd order at a fast food drive-thru, but it's actually used to find trends. When two lines cross, traders get excited like spotting the last slice of pizza at a party. Now, if squiggly lines aren't your thing, let's talk fundamental analysis. Did you hear the news? Strategy. This involves checking out things like partnerships, news updates, or when Elon Musk randomly tweets and sends the market into a frenzy. 1 minute your coin is up, and then boom, Elon tweets a dog emoji, and it's all down the drain. So pay attention to the news. New partnerships or major updates can send prices skyrocketing. It's basically like checking the weather before leaving the house, but for your wallet. Now, here's where the magic happens. You combine both approaches. Like when you mix ketchup with mayo and suddenly realize you've created something genius. So use the squiggly lines to know when to buy or sell, and the news to confirm you're not just making a blind guess. If the RSI tells you buy, and then you see a headline saying, Bitcoin is now the official currency of Mars, it's probably time to jump in. See? It's not rocket science, it's just crypto, where every day feels like a roller coaster. Master these tools and you'll have a much clearer idea of where the market is heading. Or at least, you'll look really cool pretending to know what you're doing at parties. Remember, squiggly lines in news, that's the secret sauce. Smash that subscribe button if you found this helpful or just mildly entertaining. And as always, may your coins rise and your FOMO be low.